Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah, Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri, wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, we'll talk about tables and charts. So we'll try how we can format the table, how we can format a chart, and today we will also learn how to add the second animation. Until now, we did one animation on one object, but this time we'll add the second animation, and then we'll be working on the speed of the animation as well. So let's go to the slides and try to create a table of 3 by 7, and then we'll give the style, and then we'll try to add the information here. So let's go. This is the same slide we were working on before, so I can go to the slide number 5, and in this one I can add a table. Okay. So 3 rows and 7 columns, 3 columns and 7 rows. Okay. What I can do is I can just make my life easy to see the screen. So I can, yeah. So the first column is a price, the next one is a size, and the third one is, the third one is a price, and the first one is type. Okay. Now, the type is portrait, and then bouquet, Bouquets. And now we have a small, medium, and then large, and then small, then medium, and then large. And the price is dollar, maybe 10, 25, 850. Then we have like 685 with the dollar sign, and then we have $675, 675. Then we have dollar 825, 825, and then we have $385, 385. Okay. Now what I need is I can make them center. Control E is a shortcut for center. Okay. I can minimize the size. I can minimize the size. I can increase the size of the font. Control square didn't work. Let me try again. Okay, so it's increasing the size as well. So I can increase the size from here. Okay, I need to make them center. Control E again. Now I need to merge them. Okay, so I can go right click, I can select the cells. Okay, I can select the cells, and then I can right click and merge. Similarly, I can select an F4, it will merge because F4 is the repeating last command. Now what I need to do is I have to make them in the center, right? So I can go to the layout, and I can see the alignment is centered here. There you go. So I'm in the vertical center and in the horizontal center as well. So this was, and I need to apply the design. Okay, design for my table should be accent 4. Okay, so let me see which one is that. Medium accent 4. There you go. This is medium style 1. Okay, let's see. Medium style 2 accent 4. That is what I need. Okay, so let's see the next slide. So this was the table that we worked on. Now we can go for the chart. Okay, so I can insert the chart. I am looking for stacked 3D stack column. Okay, I can go with that. Okay, now the chart is there. Okay, but the issue is I have only, so this is my discount percent. Okay, now I don't need the second and the third row. So what I can do is, you see here, this is the table is here. I can click and drag and I say I need only this column and this column. So these are out. I can delete them. I can even right click and delete the columns entirely. There you go. Now I need to type something here. This is 11 to 50 units per month. Okay. So I can copy and paste. Now I can change the value. This is like 51 to 100, and this is like 101 to 300, and this is more than 300. There you go. Okay, so this is the data. Now I can close this part. Now if you see, I got a title, I got legend. I don't need the legend. So what I can do is I can go to the design, and in the design I can go to the chart elements, and I can say legends. I don't need it, none. I can go to the chart elements. I can say the axis title, no, the chart title, none. I don't need it. Okay. Now let's see the values. The values are not correct. Okay. So edit the data. I edit the data. The values which I had is 3, 8, and this is 15, and this is 20. Okay. This is my data. Now what I need is I need the labels on this one. So I can go for the chart data labels. I can go for the callout, but the problem with the callout, I can double click on that so I can see I don't need the category, so you can turn off the categories, and I'm just having the values. Okay, what else is there? Oh, I need to apply the style. If you see here, I'm having chart color. Do we have the chart style? Let's go and see. There you go. So I can apply, what is this one? Style 8. Okay. Now I have applied style 8. Oops. I can click this one and I can bring it down here. There you go. So this is my style 8. I need to add the axis, vertical axis. So what I can do is I can go click on the chart so I can see the design. I can go here and I can say axis vertical. See the vertical? Now I can type inside percent discount. Percent discount. There you go. So percent discount is there. What else? Let's go for the next slide. That's it. Now we need to add the animation. So we can go for the animation, and I can say I need the random bars. There you go. So this is the random bar, but I need to add one more animation. I need to add one more animation. What is that? Effect. Let's talk about effects. There you go. Effect is there. Effect is by series. You see here, let me show you the preview. All at once, all at once, all at once. No. This is not what I'm looking at. I'm looking at animation, effect. I say element in series, by elements in. Okay, there you go, one by one. That's what I need. Now I need to add a second animation. Okay, so what I will do is I'll click on the add animation, because if I go back here, then this animation will be gone and I'll get the new animation. So I can click on this part and I can say, okay, I want to add the pulse. There you go. Okay, now I can increase the size, because I have I have to add the speed of the animation. So let's go and check You see here, I need the preview again. So this will go, there you go. Now I need this pulse is, look at the pulse. You see here? Yeah. Now I need to increase the speed of that one. So what I can do is I can just click on the pulse is as one object. Okay. The pulse is as one object. But this part, this animation, the random animation is there, and the pulse is one effect. Okay, now I can go for the one. You see here, by the way, I can go to the animation pane. In this, you see, I have two animations. So I can click on that. I want to increase the size, time, duration is like 1 second. Okay, let's play. And now for this one, I say I want a bit fast. So if I want to make it 25.25 seconds. There you go. So this is how we did the animation. We added an extra animation to the chart, and we play around with the duration, the timings of the animation as well. Now let's to the slides. That's it for today. Next lecture, inshallah, it will be on the themes font and themes colors, and we'll be working on the backgrounds as well. So say kafara majlis, subhanallah wa bihamdihi, subhanallahumma wa bihamdika, nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.